Hi guys, I'm Elise, the Chief Content Officer at Goop, and welcome to my office, which is also my bed. Here we are in totally strange and unprecedented times, trying to make it work. But I'm also trying to keep my life going per usual. My full-time job, my 2 kids, gotta keep them clothed, bathed, and now educated. And then I'm married, which requires work even in the best of circumstances, and certainly more attention during these totally hard and weird times. So I'm gonna take you through some of my routines for staying sane, finding ways to be productive, including getting lots of sleep. I promise though, I'm not napping right now. I'm just relaxing and Zoom calling. Let's get started. So I'm trying to keep some things consistent with how they were before. This is my sort of morning, once I'm dressed routine before I head out the door, normally with my son to take him to school. So I start with my Goop Glow and I use it to take my vitamins. I take the high school jeans, and then I've added the Live On Lipospheric Vitamin C. This is how much I'm streamlining. Chug. But honestly, if I can eat well, sleep, move my body, it's a start. Okay, so this is my home office in the corner, kind of where I like to be. Above me, these are books that are upcoming for the podcast. Some books above there that are podcast potentially or just for pleasure. Reading for me is a lifelong pursuit. It gives me the most joy. There's another set of books. Then my guest room full of books, living room full of books. You get the point. Another thing that took me a minute is that I needed to reassess the way that I was calendaring my day because I was leaving literally no breaks. So now I'm blocking out my calendar routinely so that I have moments to stretch, to walk, to go to the grocery store. The wine might be coming a little bit earlier in the day, but you didn't hear that from me. At the beginning of quarantine, when it was clear that we were going to be here for a while, I decided it was a perfect time to re-regulate to how I like to sleep, which is I like to stay up a little bit later and wake up a little bit later. And we've had our bed for 12 years. It is time for a reboot. Thus, here I am talking about Avocado and best night's sleep ever. It's happening. Woo! It was time to sort of redevote myself to the ritual of amazing sleep, because between sleep, eating well, and moving our bodies, those are the biggest tools in our arsenal for keeping our immune systems balanced and staying well. Nap time. Where's my book?